Hello, friends. Today is our Class 19, and today we will learn about the Gradient panel. You can find the Gradient panel in the Window menu, and its shortcut key is Control F9. These are the gradient modes, and you can click here to choose any type you want. Right now, the stroke color is set to none, so we will work on the fill color. This is the reverse gradient option. You can use it to switch the gradient according to your design. This is the angle option, where you can change the gradient angle. Look, like this. This is the gradient slider. You can move the sliders to adjust the gradient as you want. You can also add more sliders by clicking anywhere on the gradient bar wherever you need a new color stop. Then double-click the slider and choose any color you want. This is the opacity option. You can increase or decrease it from here. This is the slide location, where you can set the exact position of the gradient slider. These are the gradient types. You can choose whether you want linear or radial from here. This is the Freeform Gradient. The circles you see here are color points. Click on any circle and choose a color. You can add different colors to each circle. This is the Point tool, which is used to add points. And this is the Line tool, which adds points along a line, like this. From here, you can delete any point.